Something says it is time to start anew like the rain. Nature looks more beautiful in the rain. If you want to see a rainbow, you have to learn to see the rain. Rain is just confetti from the sky. The sky still appeared unable to make up its mind whether it wanted to rain or not. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain. Life isn't not about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. The nicest thing about the rain is that it always stops eventually. Don't be angry with the rain. It simply doesn't know how to fall upwards. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. Shh, listen to the rain. Rain makes everything beautiful. After every rain, the earth looks more beautiful and the sky is brighter. Only a select few are able to see the true beauty that lies behind what just might seem like a rainy day or a gray sky. Life is full of beauty. Notice it. Notice the bumblebee, the small child, and the smiling faces. Smell the rain and feel the wind. Live your life to the fullest potential and fight for your dreams. Into each life, some rain must fall. Some days must be dark and dreary. It's a relief to hear the rain. It's the sound of billions of drops, all equally committed to falling. Like a sudden outbreak of democracy, water, when it hits the ground, instantly becomes a puddle or rivulet or flood. I love the sound of heavy rain and thunder on a dark night. I find it so peaceful. Nothing better than the sound of heavy rain while you are falling asleep. I woke to the sound of rain. The three great elemental sounds in nature are the sound of rain, the sound of wind in a primeval wood, and the sound of outer ocean on a beach. I need the seasons to live to the rhythm of rain and sun. Rain is grace, rain is the sky descending to the earth. Without rain, there would be no life. After the rain, the sun will reappear. There is life. After the pain, the joy will still be here. Tears fall in my heart like the rain on the town. I love the rain. It's my favorite weather. Rain showers my spirit and waters my soul. I need the seasons to live to the rhythm of rain and sun. The sun after the rain is much beautiful than the sun before the rain. Without rain, there is no life. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. Some people walk in the rain, others just get wet. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain. And when it rains on your parade, look up rather than down. Without the rain, there would be no rainbow. Some people feel the rain, others just get wet. True, the sun and the wind inspire, but rain has an edge. Who, after all, dreams of dancing in dust or kissing in the bright sun? Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. And when it rains on your parade, look up rather than down. Without the rain, there would be no rainbow. Rain didn't make things messy. People did that all on their own. ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं।